Welcome, this is Woeful Guide, and recently I've been messing around with a couple different ship designs for space engineers, and this is one of the recent drafts that I've made, a kind of a beginning ship that I can add and subtract things on eventually. It currently has no weapons. It is a prime. Oh no, there is absolutely no heavy metal on this thing. It's all light armor. So it's still is definite need of many upgrades. I've been kicking around with certain ideas with it, which would mean retractable landing gear and of course a interior. For small ships that don't really have interiors, this is kind of a change for me. I'm not used to doing these, and I've just been really wanting to do this kind of door because it looks amazing. I love it. There's a couple things I need to edit a little bit, a couple twitches and small things I need to fix. But otherwise, when it comes to that, and it is was it more than 12 gyros? I'm not gonna say you're gonna count them. 2 nuclear gens, 2 medium cargo containers, single cockpit, even buttons for the lights when you're not using them, since lights will cause lag. It's a nice little ship. So let's see here. Let's see what we can do with this stuff. First of all, of course, we need to undo the locks. Bam. We're gonna subtract the landing gear. That's nice. That's real nice. And then we're gonna fold them away, all nice and neat. Not bad. I need to get the speed right with all of them. But as I said, this is just a test ship. It's not really meant for battle or anything yet. Let's see here. It can survive a few impacts too, by the way. I just noticed that there's a part missing on the back, like near the door. All right. It's not super maneuverable yet, because I need to add some more thrusters to the sides. But all in all, it is not a bad ship so far. Not bad in design, at least. If I add a couple layers of metal, of the heavy armor on the outside of it in certain areas, it'd turn out much better, especially around the cockpit and the power gens. As for the engines, I don't like hiding these engines. It looks so pretty. I suppose it's more of a cosmetic ship than anything else. Yeah, it's pretty much the ship. It certainly is something. All right. Yeah. And the best thing about it is that since it's it's like shock absorbers, because it's not only the landing gear but also the pistons themselves. And yes, every time when you enter from the inside, it will put you back on the inside of the ship. As for the interior, I might make this wider. I might extend it by about 4 blocks total, maybe to each side. I haven't decided yet. I'm still kicking around ideas for a little bit bigger of a ship with a bigger interior, but we'll see. As I said, I'm still not certain on where I want to go with it, whether it needs to be a logistic ship or some sort of transport ship or troop transport, as it were. It'd be pretty badass for a troop transport, though. But yeah, this would be it. Woeful Guide out.